Good morning from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is a daily DoorDash journey through the desert. Well, many of you know that my YouTube name is the Seven-Figure Dashing Investor. And today I want to focus on that last word, investor. You know, there's equities, commodities, precious metals, crypto, real estate, and those are all phenomenal vehicles to invest in, to try and add to your pile, to build wealth. But today I want to share what I believe is one of the greatest investments that you can make. And this is not financial advice, but you may or may not get this advice from a financial advisor. You may or may not get this from your lawyer. You may or may not get this from your accountant. The best investment that you can make, in my opinion, is in people. Yeah, in people. Just something free that you get to invest that will give you 10, 20, 50, 100% return on your investment. See, when you care about people, when you reach out and you touch their heart, when you believe in them, you can't put value on that. You can't. And the amazing thing is it's free. All you have to do is smile and say, "How's your day going? Is there anything I can do for you? You're an amazing individual." When you do that, then you see the instant return on investment that you get. It's just unbelievable. You can build a wealth, a humongous wealth of friends and relationships and acquaintances by just being a good person and going out there and touching somebody's life. I had such a moment, and I'm sorry I'm welling up. Funny thing is, I told an individual tonight, via chat, I said, be careful when you're driving, because something may just hit you. Emotion. You have no idea where it's coming from. Right now I'm thinking about my dad. Excuse me. I told this individual that they needed to be careful when they were driving. Now, granted, I'm driving at 12:42, so I can easily pull over onto the side of the road. There's nothing else going on. But I said, be careful, because just out of the blue, it's just going to hit you. And those words were taken in and echoed by other people that, yes, that's a true statement. And this person, you can just tell that she has a huge heart. And her mother, who just passed, raised her really well. Would you find people like that? You buy. You invest in them. You share them with the world. Her husband's a lucky man. And all of her friends, they all know this. But I've just been introduced to her. I'm praying for you as you're going through your pain. I think a lot of us think about you all day long. Oh, wow. Thank you for being you. Thank you for having a huge heart. Thank you for bringing joy to the internet, filling the room with your energy. You're amazing. And I hope that you get through this time in your life with little struggle. So again, the 7-figure dashing investor. Invest in people. Invest in people. Pile them up. Share them with the world. They're the biggest asset. That you'll ever accumulate. Thanks for letting me share. I've got to go. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye for now.